So I can't put enough value on what it feels like to be back face to face. The networking opportunities that our attendees have. Obviously, the buzz in the exhibit hall is great for our industry partners. The learning of in-person can't be duplicated via Zoom or any type of virtual meeting. Our hands-on workshops, those things just didn't exist during the virtual period. Orlando is just a springboard of opportunities for us. From planning to execution, there's nothing like it. There's so many attractions here, so we have a lot of attendees that bring families. The venues, the hotels that are here, the convention center that's here. The airport obviously has so many flights from all over the country, and even for our international ambassadors, I think it was a really easy destination for them to get to. Oh, I love our Visit Orlando friends. I can't say enough great things about them. Whatever the ask is, not only do they partner with you to find a solution, but they will go above and beyond to make sure that they're exceeding your expectations. I would definitely recommend Orlando to anybody who's doing an event. I think the people are really passionate about the industry here. Visit Orlando, I think, instills it in all of their partners, but you never feel like one of many. You just feel like the one thing in town that's happening, and you can't beat that.